This is how I set it up. Okay, let me show you closer. All right, okay. So as you can see, this is the large carabine that we attach both sides. All right, and this is how I did it, guys. Right, so actually it's 3 resistance band. I think this is the maximum that I can put on this bench, guys. No, we got 30, we got 40, 70. So we got 140 pounds of tension, all in all, on this 3 resistance band that we set it up. So basically I hook up the bands on the carabine like this, and then to increase the tension I hook it up just